The overall design of the Koala S is basically the same as that of the current Koala. Both have a closed front grille, round polygonal light groups on both sides, and exaggerated air intakes, making it quite recognizable. On the side of the body, the new car adopts a design with short front and rear overhangs and a long wheelbase to maximize the space inside the car. In addition, the Koala S inherits the practical design of the Koala electric side sliding door, with a clearance of 650 mm, a low platform of 340 mm, a child guardrail 0.7 meters above the ground, and an adult handrail on top, allowing users of all ages to easily enter and exit the car. At the rear of the car, the new car adopts a transition-type taillight decorative design. At the same time, the taillights feature U-shaped design elements, and the rear frame reflects the front frame. The rear adopts a full-type taillight decorative design, and the taillights include U-shaped design elements, and the rear surround reflects the front surround. The interior of the Koala S continues the layout of the on-sale models, equipped with a 14.6-inch central control display and a 10.25-inch LCD display. Looking at other configurations, the new car also comes standard with remote start, automatic air conditioning, keyless entry, panoramic sunroof, relaxing mode, rear view image, cruise control, etc. In terms of space, the human body distance between the front and rear rows of the new car reaches 1,025 mm, the interior height is 1,245 mm, and the luggage volume reaches 410 liters. Koala S creates an extremely clean cabin with almost zero aldehyde and zero benzene, and the baby-grade skin-friendly interior of the cabin uses organic antibacterial substances without silver ions. The car's seats are decorated with diamond-patterned patterns and are matched with panoramic canopies. It can satisfy home users. In terms of power, the new car is equipped with a single motor with a maximum power of 120 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 240 Nm, and is matched with a single-speed transmission for electric vehicles. In terms of batteries, all new cars are equipped with a 58.8 kWh CATL lithium iron phosphate battery pack as standard, with a CLTC cruising range of up to 500 kilometers. It takes only 26 minutes to charge from 30% to 80% in fast charging mode. In addition, the new car can charge other cars with V2V mode and V2L mode, and the V2L can be connected to induction cookers, electric water heaters and other equipment when camping.